Our soils. Time to warm up. If you want to grow vegetables or fruits, what is needed? To grow crops well, we need soil. Soil type can determine which vegetables grow best for you. Knowing your soil type enables you to overcome problems since you can prepare the ground accordingly. Time to know. Soil is made up of loose, weathered rock and organic material which serves as a natural medium for the growth of land plants. The rock material in soil consists of land, clay and silt. It is an essential part of the terrestrial ecosystem. Soil is formed over time from a combination of 5 soil-forming factors. These include parent material, climate, topography, biological organisms, and time. Parent material is a starting material for a soil which consists of specific minerals. Temperature changes, precipitation, and wind break down parent material and transport loose particles, thereby affecting the formation of soil. The major soil types in India have been recognized as follows. Mountain soils. The mountain soils are mainly found in Jammu and Kashmir, UP, West Bengal, in the Himalayas, sub-montane tracts. The Himalayas, the northeastern hills and other mountains and hills in India show a variety of soils. In the drier areas of deciduous forest belt, brown soils are found. They are rich in humus and deep. They are very good for orchid plants. In the coniferous forest belts in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, etc., brown forest soils called padozol are found. These soils grow maize, barley, wheat and fruits. In the alpine zone of the Himalayas lie alpine meadow soils. Good crop of paddy, wheat, soybean and even sugarcane are grown in mountain soils. Crops grown in mountain soils. Alluvial soils. Material deposited by rivers, winds, glaciers and sea waves are called alluvium, and soils made up of alluvium are called alluvial soils. In India, alluvial soils are mainly found in the Indo-Ganga, Brahmaputra plains, coastal plains and the broad river valleys of South India. In the Indo-Ganga plain, 2 other types of alluvium are found. The old alluviums are clayey and sticky, have a darker color, contains nodules of lime concentrations and are found to lie on slightly elevated lands. The new alluviums are lighter in color and occur in the deltas and the floodplains. Black soils. The regular or black soils have developed extensively upon the lava plateaus of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, mainly Malwa. Black soils have also developed on genesis of North Karnataka and north and west of Andhra Pradesh. The regur is clayey, becomes very sticky when wet. Its special merit lies in its water-holding capacity. These soils are very fertile and contain a high percentage of lime and a moderate amount of potash. The type of soil is specially situated to the cultivation of cotton and hence sometimes called black cotton soil. Sugarcane, wheat and groundnut are also cultivated. Red soils. Red soils develop on granite and genesis rocks under low rainfall condition. The dissemination of red oxides of iron gives the characteristic red color of the soil. These soils are friable and medium fertile and found mainly in almost whole of Tamil Nadu, southeastern Karnataka, northeastern and southeastern Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, the major parts of Orissa, and the hills and plateaus of northeast India. but these have capacity to grow good crops after taking help of irrigation and fertilizers. Wheat, millets, gram, pulses, oil seeds, and cotton are cultivated here. Crops grown: wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane, and pulses are grown on red soil with the application of suitable fertilizers. Desert soils. The soils of Rajasthan, Haryana, and the South Punjab are sandy. In the absence of sufficient wash by rainwater, soils have become saline and rather unfit for cultivation. In spite of that, cultivation can be carried on with the help of modern irrigation. Wheat, bajra, groundnut can be grown in this soil. Laterite soil. Laterite soil in India are found in the eastern Ghat of Orissa, the southern parts of western Ghat, Malabar coastal plains, and Ratnagiri of Maharashtra, and some part of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Meghalaya, western part of West Bengal. Laterite soils are said to ferruginous aluminous rock. They are formed by decomposition because of they are found in black soil regions having heavy rainfall. The rocks are completely leached out, having a high portion of iron and aluminium as residue. High temperature and heavy rainfall transform the black soil into laterite. The laterite soils in India are not fertile at all and are suitable to agriculture. They are coarse in texture and poor in nitrogen, phosphoric acid, potash, and urea. These soils are red in color as it is mixed with iron oxides. Plants like cashew grow well along with tapioca. These soils are also used as building materials in India. But agriculture can be practiced with the help of fertilizer. Soil erosion. The removal of topsoil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. It can be reduced by a number of methods of soil conservation. These include the planting of windbreaks or belts of trees along the edges of fields, which reduce soil erosion from wind. Soil erosion can lead to lack of vegetation and lack of structure in the surface of the ground. These problems can then make the erosion itself, leading to more problems. Soil erosion of two types: normal or geological erosion. Erosion effects are not visible on the land surface, nor are soil productivity adversely affected. In quantitative terms, the amount of soil lost through erosion is equal to the amount of soil formed. Accelerated erosion. The effects of erosion are visible on the ground surface and the rate of soil loss is greater than the rate of soil formation. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is the act of keeping the soil in place and healthy. Soil and water conservation often go hand in hand to help maintain the balance needed in the earth for people to live on and thrive. Where erosion is taking place or the soil is becoming contaminated with metals, acids, or through overuse, it becomes lost. This in turn means that an important source of food, carbon dioxide fighting plants, shade, and cover is lost with it. Roots of plants, especially grass, provide hold to soil. Rows of trees or shelter belts are planted to protect the soil. Rows of trees for soil conservation. Time to recall. 1. The topmost fertile layer of the earth's surface is called soil. 2. Soil is made through the breaking of rocks. 3. Alluvial soils are by far the most fertile soils. 4. Red soils develop on granite and gneiss rocks under low rainfall condition. 5. The soils of Rajasthan, Haryana, and the South Punjab are sandy. Time to answer. A. Answer the following questions. 1. What crops are grown in mountain soils? 2. What is soil? How is it formed? 3. How many types of soil? What are they? 4. What is meant by soil erosion? 5. Mention the important measure of soil conservation. Oral questions. B. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. 1. Washing away of the soil is dash. 2. Dash soils are less fertile lands. 3. Mountain soils are very good for dash. 4. Dash soils are red in color as it is mixed with iron oxides. 5. Wheat, bajra, groundnut can be grown in dash soil. Clue kit: desert, laterite, orchid crops, red, soil erosion. C. Write yes or no to the following questions. 1. Mountain soils are formed from the small broken pieces of stones. 2. Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses are grown on black soil. 3. High temperature and heavy rainfall transform the black soil into laterite. 4. Paddy, wheat, soybean and even sugarcane are grown in red soils. 5. The old alluviums are clayey and sticky, have a darker color. D. Match the following. A. Northern plains. B. Himalayan regions. C. Thar desert. D. Northwest Deccan plateau. E. Tamil Nadu. 1. Mountain soil. 2. Desert soil. 3. Black soil. 4. Red soil. 5. Alluvial soil. E. Write any two main crops grown according to following regions. Regions: Crop 1, Crop 2. Deccan Plateau, Rajasthan Desert, Northern Plains, Hilly Areas. Time to do project work. 1. On the outline map of India, locate the areas having different types of soil and fertilizer plants. 2. Form groups and collect soil samples from different places. Observe the color, size and components of the soil. Record your observation in your scrapbook. Life skills. The main reason why the soil becomes contaminated is due to the presence of man-made waste. The waste produced from the nature itself, such as dead plants, carcasses of animals, and rotten fruits and vegetables, only adds to the fertility of the soil. So, we must take steps to ensure that soil is free from any man-made pollution.